Ramayan Episode 14, The Warrior's Path. Rama meets Sutikshana and Sage Agastya. Having vowed to protect the sages of Dandakaranya, Rama, Lakshman, and Sita continued their journey. Their path led them to the hermitage of the great sage Sutikshana, a master of tapasya and in a fire. The forest quieted as they entered, as though the trees themselves were listening. Sutikshana welcomed them with folded hands. O Rama, your presence sanctifies these woods. The forest is full of fear, not from beasts, but from adharma. Will you take up arms for the sake of peace? Rama answered without hesitation, I shall raise my bow not in pride, but in protection. I am a Kshatriya. To abandon the weak is to betray my dharma. Sutikshana smiled, tested and assured. Then go south, to the ashram of my guru, the great sage Agastya. He awaits you. He will prepare you for what is to come. Rama bowed. The path forward was now clearer but more dangerous than ever. Guided by Dharma and Sutikshana's blessings, Rama, Lakshman, and Sita passed deeper into the southern forest. The air shifted, still and ancient. This was no ordinary land, it was Agastya's ground. Birds fell silent. The trees grew taller. And then, the ashram appeared, simple, radiant, and filled with the presence of tapas. Sage Agastya, revered by gods and feared by Rakshasas, rose from his seat. Welcome, O Rama, protector of Dharma. He looked into Rama's eyes as though seeing the avatar within the man. Agastya said, you will face mighty foes. Rakshasas who cannot be reasoned with. Take these weapons, not to conquer, but to uphold righteousness. And with that, he gifted the divine bow of Vishnu, radiant and ageless, an inexhaustible quiver of celestial arrows, a sword that glowed like fire, the mantras to call upon divine missiles when needed. Rama received them with reverence, not with pride, but with silence. I shall use them only in the service of truth. Agastya, now seated once more, spoke softly. O Rama, your path is long. You shall walk through trials, pain, and war. But know this, Dharma shall rise through you. And when the time is right, the name of Lanka shall tremble. Rama nodded. Even Sita, silent till now, looked upon Agastya with reverence. For she too knew that the journey of exile was over. Now began the journey of destiny. With blessings, weapons, and the weight of Dharma, Rama stepped out of Agastya's hermitage. Lakshman walked beside him, his eyes sharper than ever. Sita walked behind, calm and unshaken.